lang. So once again, good morning everyone. So welcome to our class for module number 4. We will be talking about the module number 4 of quarter number 2 in mathematics. So the topic is about operations involving polynomials. So what is this all about? So medyo mahirap po itong lesson natin ngayon because this is something about algebra. So meron na po tayong x, y, z na mga values dito or na mga numbers and the mga coefficients na medyo mahirap po na i-translate into English terms. So in this case, so quarter 2 module number 4, we will be talking about operations involving polynomials. Okay, to begin with our discussion, I will be introducing first the objectives that we have today. So there are 6 objectives or target lessons that we will be discussing. One of those is we have to do the operations in polynomials. So we are going to add and subtract polynomials. We are going to multiply polynomials and divide polynomials. And today we will be discussing the first one, which is about operations involving polynomials, wherein we will be talking about first on the similar terms. So first activity natin, we will name this one as PT number 3 or performance task number 3, the similar terms. Identify each of the term if it is similar or not. Right? Yes, if it is similar, and not if otherwise. So ano po yung mga similar terms? I would like to teach this one first before we proceed on this activity. So these are the examples of similar terms. Tingnan nyo ha. So I'll be giving an example. 11 11G, 13G, 15G. Okay, ano pong na-observe nyo dito? This is what you call numerical coefficient. Yung 11 po, tawag po dyan is numerical coefficient. From the word number, numerical. Ibig sabihin number siya. Itong G naman po, this is what you call literal coefficient. From the word letters, literal coefficient. Ibig sabihin letters siya. In this case, ano po yung mga numerical coefficient na nakalagay? Ano po yung mga numbers na nakalagay sa tatlong bibigay ko na example?
Odd numbers sila.
Yes, they are all odd numbers. And particular, they are 11, 13, and 15. So these are the numbers. Now, next question. Ano po yung mga literal coefficient or yung mga letters na binigay ko? Are they all the same? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes po.
And yes, that is correct. So they are all the same. Therefore, ang tawag po dito sa kanila is similar terms. Bakit po? This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. Bakit po similar terms sila? Dahil pareho sila ng apelyido. Ano yung apelyido nila? G. G, G. So kapag pareho silang similar terms or ng apelyido na tinatawag, they are called similar terms or pareho sila ng literal coefficient. Now, ano yung first name nila dito? Yung first name nila yung number 11, 13, 15. Another example. Another example is we have MN, 2MN, 3MN. Okay? Ano po yung pareho ba sila ng literal coefficient or yung apelyido na tinatawag, MN? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, of course. They are the same. So therefore, tawag po dito sa kanila similar terms. Bakit po? Ano pong apelyido, ano pong first name ni MN? Dito meron siyang invisible 1. Kapag wala po siyang number na nakikita, invisible 1 po yan siya. Okay? Ang kanilang literal coefficient or apelyido is MN, MN, MN. Kapag pareho po, yes, they are similar terms. Ano naman yung hindi magka-apelyido or yung dissimilar terms or not the same terms? Ano po yun siya? Example, 2x. Tapos ang isa, 2ry or 2vy na lang. And yung isa is 11xy. So in this case, si x po yung variable dito or yung apelyido or literal coefficient. Dito naman si vy, dito naman si xy. They are not the same at all. Magkaiba po sila ng apelyido. So therefore, they are not similar terms or dissimilar terms na tinatawag. Now, in this case, on performance task number 3, I would like you to identify if it is similar or not. Just write the word yes if it is similar, and not if it is not. So in this case, I would like you to answer number 1 to 10. Just write the word yes or not, if it is similar or not. Okay? I'll be giving you 5 minutes for this. 9:15 at 9:20, we will check this one. Name it as performance number T. Your time starts now. Performance task number 3. Okay, while you are answering for the rest of the 5 minutes, I'll be checking the attendance. Currently, there are 33 students all in all. We have Akimi, Alvea, Ariana, Charles, Cheryl, Crystal, Clarice, Danielle, Dasha, Dave, Eunice, Yuri, Francine, Jana, Jeneline, Jaire, JM, Cassandra, Inji, Leonard, Laika, Mark, Mary Ann, Matt Lawrence, Michaela, Nicole, Paul J, Princess Gail, Rashid, RC, and Zeke Montesilianos. 34 students all in all. Okay, you have 4 minutes left. Be careful kayo ha, kapag meron kayo nakita na capital letter, magkaiba din po yan siya. Capital letter at saka small letter. They are not the same kapag ganun po ang nangyari. Again, in this case, for numbers 1 to 10, just write the word yes if it is similar and not if it is not. Okay, Crystal is the first one who finished the activity. Very good. Type down on the chat box if you're done. Rashid is also finished. Mark Ines is also finished. Okay, last 3 minutes. Magkakaroon po tayo ng recitation dito sa numbers 1 to 10. Call po ako ng non-volunteers. Ibig sabihin ng non-volunteers, yung hindi po usually nag-recite. This is very simple. That's just yes or no. Please do not leave po kung matakot kayo. Okay lang po na magkamali dito. Recorded po kahit mali ang sagot nyo. Dahil meron din po kayong points kapag mali po. Okay, marami pong left the group dahil po may recitation. Okay, last 2 minutes. Akimi, are you there? Kimi, Machoka? Okay, ikaw po dito magsagot sa number 1. Sorry, pindot ko. Next sa number 2 naman po, Cheryl, are you there? Pasqua?
Sir.
Ikaw po sa number 2. Kahit mali po, okay lang po ang sagot. Wala pa akong pakialam kung nagkamali. As long as nag-try kayo. Daniel, Isubal, are you there? Okay lang po, Akimi. Just take your time. Sa number 1 ka man din. Isubal, are you there? Danielle. Next, Dasha, are you there?
Yes
Ayun.
po.
Danielle, ikaw dito. Danielle. Si Dasha naman sa number 4. Next, number 5. Dave. Wala po si Dave. Charles, are you there?
Yes po.
Ikaw dito ha. Next, number 6, we have Yuri. Yuri, number 6. Number 7, we have Francine Gale. Jaire, number 8. Next, number 9, Sandra. And number 10, we have Kinji. Okay, we will do now the checking. It's already 9:21. Okay, Akimi, what's your answer here? Akimi, is it yung sagot po niya, yes or no lang po ang sagot dito, yes or not? Is it, do they have the same terms? Yes or no? Akimi? Okay, no daw po ang sagot niya. Okay, that is incorrect. Ang tama po dito dapat is yes. So, bakit po? Ano pong variable niya dito or literal coefficient from the word letter? That is x. Dito naman po si x. Dito naman po si x. Do they have the same variable or literal coefficient? Yes, that is x and x and x. That's why, kung pareho sila po ng lahat ng variable or ng letters na ginamit, the answer is they are similar. Okay, similar terms. Yes po ang sagot dito. Next, sa number 2, Cheryl, what's your answer? Yes
No,
or
sir.
no? Yes, that is particularly no. Bakit po? Si Z po ang naiiba dito. So, they are not similar. No. Next, Daniel. 2 points each po ito ha. 2 points po ang tama, 1 point naman po ang mali. Next, Daniel, what's your answer here? Daniel? Okay, Daniel is not responding. Anyone who would like to volunteer? Yes, Eunice?
Yes.
The answer here is yes nga ba? 2S, 3S, S, 15S. Yes, that is correct. That is an example of a similar term. Next, Dasha for number 4.
Yes po.
Yes, that is correct. Very good. PN po ang kanilang variable. Next, number 5. Charles?
Yes.
Yes, very good. That is correct. Next, number 6. L po yan siya. Yuri?
Yes po.
Yes po ang sagot niya and that is correct. So, negative man or positive, tulad nito, negative ang kabila, ang isa positive itong 100L, still the same pa rin po sila ng apelyido or ng variable or ng literal coefficient that is L. Therefore, yes po ang sagot. They are similar terms. Next, for number 7, X, Y, and Z and negative. Gail?
No, sir.
Yes, that is correct. No, ang answer po dyan. 2 points po ang tama ulit, 1 point ang mali. Next, for Jaire, XYZ, positive. Jaire?
Yes
Sabi?
po, sir.
Ulitin ko, pareho ba sila ng apelyido or pareho ba silang variable x, y, and z? That is, ano po dito? Ano pong letter ginamit niya, Jaire? X dito, y dito po, z. Pareho ba ang x, y, and z? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, of course, that is no. X, y, and z, they are not similar. Next, Cassandra, for number 9, capital X and small letter x. Cassandra?
No po.
Yes, of course, that is no. Tama po ikaw, Cassandra. Bakit po? Hindi sila the same. Look at this one. X is capital and this one is small letter. That's why it is no. Okay? Next, for the last item, for number 10, we have Kinji.
Yes po.
D, 12D, 19. Yes, that is correct. So, yes po ang sagot dito sa number 10. A total of 20 over 20. PT number 3. Okay, please po record this one and send your scores in our Facebook page with a score of 20 over 20 for PT number 3. Okay, as a summary, we have number 1, yes. Number 2, no. Number 3, yes. Number 4, yes. Number 5, yes. Number 6, yes. Number 7, no or not. Number 8, no or not. Number 9, no or not. And number 10 is yes. A total of 20 over 20. Please type your scores on the chat box, please. Okay, we have 20, 19, 14, meron po. Okay, Cassandra, 20. May 20 po, may 17, may 19. Okay, again, 1 point po ang mali, 2 points ang tama. Okay, so very good. At least meron mataas po yung score natin. Now, let's proceed now to our main lesson of this morning. For the rest of the 40 minutes of our class, we will be answering the addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay, but before that one, let us discuss first, what does it mean when we say polynomials? When we say polynomials, pwede po siyang binomial, dalawang terms. Trinomial, 3 terms. Ganun po ibig sabihin ng polynomials. Okay, addition and subtraction of polynomials. Now, bakit ko solve sa inyo kanina, or pina-identify kanina kung pareho ba sila ng terms or not similar terms or similar terms? Kasi po, magagamit po natin yan dito sa addition and subtraction of polynomials. Kasi po, ang rules po dito sa addition is pwede lang tayong mag-add if they have the same polynomials or variable. Example, ito siya. Itong 5a equals 2a plus 6, 5a plus 2a plus 6. Yung parenthesis dito, kapag addition po ang before sa parenthesis, magiging simple as this na siya. Magiging 5a plus 2a plus 6. Mawawala na yung parenthesis kapag addition. Take note, kapag ang parenthesis before sa plus, magiging ganito na siya ng itsura after. Okay, next. Ang pwede lang i-add, take note, ang pwede lang i-add kapag pareho sila ng apelyido or variable na tinatawag or they have the same term. In this case, similar ba si 5a at saka 2a? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes po ang sagot. That is correct.
Yes.
Since pareho sila ng apelyido, pwede po silang i-add. Si 2 plus 5, magiging 7 na siya. And ano yung variable nila, yung apelyido nila, that is A. Copy lang po yan. Plus, bring down 6. Si 6 po, hindi po pwede i-add kay 7 dahil po wala po siyang apelyido or wala po siyang variable na tinatawag. And that is now the final answer, 7a plus 6. Okay, please copy for example number 1 for the title of addition and subtraction of polynomials. Copy. Burahin na itong underline. Kapag magsulat kayo, wala na yung underline ha, para hindi kayo malito. Okay, next for number 2. I know you're done. Okay, first question. Itong grupo na ito daw i-add daw natin sa grupo na ito. Ibig sabihin kasi ng parentheses, grupo sila. Okay. Now, tanong ko lang, itong parentheses po na ito, ano po ang before niya na symbol? Of course, this is plus, right? In this case, kanina po sa number 1, yung parentheses po dito, ano pong kasunod niya na symbol? Plus. So, therefore, they are all addition. Okay? Next, kapag addition nga, ano na ang gagawin? I-bring down lang po lahat. 2x plus 4, tapos plus 4x minus 1. Yan po yung tandaan ninyo. Okay, kapag addition daw po, i-bring down lang po lahat, tanggalin niyo yung parentheses. Next, saan pwede i-add si 2x? Tanong ko sa inyo.
4x.
Yes, of course, that is 4x. So 2x plus 4x, magiging 2x plus 4x na siya. Next, si 4 at saka minus 1, ipagtabi natin. Plus 4. Bakit po plus 4? Kasi plus man siya dito. Okay? Yan po, plus po. Next, minus 1. Bakit po minus 1? Dahil minus din po siya dito sa taas. Equals 2x plus 4x magiging 2 plus 4 magiging
6.
6, of course. And what is their variable or literal coefficient?
X.
Yes, that's correct. X plus 4 minus 1. Ang 4, bawasan daw ng 1.
3.
Yes, of course, that is 3. And this is now the answer, 6x plus 3. Okay, please copy. Then we will have a review of this. Okay, review tayo. Ulitin natin. Kapag addition po, take a look at this. Lahat po ng parentheses aalisin. Tapos i-bring down lahat ng numbers. Si 2x, si 4, si 4x minus 1. Paano po malaman kung addition? Tingnan nyo dito. Itong grupo na ito, yung parentheses na ito, group yan sila. 2x plus 4. I-add daw natin sila sa second group na 4x minus 1. From the word add or yung symbol na add, ibig sabihin, addition to. So, i-bring down lahat ng numbers, iwanan ang parentheses sa taas. Yan na po. Since na-bring down na natin siya, hanap tayo ng similar terms ni 2x. Si 2x ba may kaapelyedo or may kaparehong variable na x? Meron po si 4x. That's why ipagtabi natin sila. Si 4 naman po, yung walang apelyedo, ipagtabi din po natin sa walang apelyedo or walang variable na tinatawag. So 4 minus 1 magiging 3. 2 plus 4 magiging 6. Then copy their family name which is the variable x. And that is now the answer. Okay? Yan po yung lesson natin sa addition and subtraction of polynomials. Now, before we proceed with number 3, sige, number 3 na muna tayo. Mabilis. Okay, for number 3, this is a word problem. Sabi po dito sa number 3, the lengths of the side of a quadrilateral, math, MATH, are shown in the diagram. Find the perimeter of the quadrilateral. Perimeter, ibig sabihin, i-add lang po lahat ng sides. 4A po ito. Okay, ibig sabihin, i-add daw natin lahat ng sides sa perimeter ng MATH. So the first side is 4A minus B. The second side is 3A. The third side is 5A plus 2B. And the fourth side is 4B. I-add daw natin yan sila. So magiging ganito na po yung sagot. Oops, nawala. So balikan natin. Okay, please copy the problem and the figure before, sige, proceed na lang ako sa answering. Copy nyo rin po. So, i-add daw natin si 4A plus, oops. Di ba back? Pointer eraser. Yun. Okay, si 4A minus B. Tapos, i-add daw natin siya kay 3A. Plus, ito na yun siya. 4A minus B. Ito na yung 3A. Ito na yung ikatatlo. Si 5A plus 2B. Kaapat, si 4B. Which is this one. 4B. I-add daw natin sila. Now, before we could add this one, hanapin natin yung kapareho nila. Si 4A, meron siyang kapareho na si 3A. So, kopyahin natin si plus 3A. Tapos, may kapareho pa siya na 5A. Tapos, wala na. Si negative B naman, anong kapareho niya? Si 2B plus 2B and si 4B. So yan na yun siya, pagtabi na natin lahat ng A at saka lahat ng B. So i-add na natin sila. 4 plus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 5 is 12. And pareho man silang variable na A, so isusulat ang A. Dito naman, si minus B, ibig sabihin minus 1 yan siya, invisible 1. Okay? Kapag letter lang po, may invisible 1 siya. So, ang 2 binawasan mo ng 1, magiging 1 na lang siya. Plus 4, magiging 5. Yan ang apelyido nila or variable nila is B. So therefore, ang sagot po dito is 12A plus 5B. Okay, please copy. Then we will explain it again for the second time. Copy muna po. Just type done if you're done. Okay, ulitin ko po. Sabi po sa number 3, these are the lengths of the sides of a quadrilateral math which are shown in diagram. Yung first po na measure daw is 4A minus B. Ang second naman po, 3A and 5A plus 2B. Ang third, ang fourth is 4B. Find the perimeter of the quadrilateral math. Ibig sabihin po ng perimeter, i-add daw po natin lahat ng sides. So ano ba yung mga sides na gimension ko kanina? Yan yung 4A minus B plus 3A plus 5A plus 2B plus 4B. Ito na po yun sila. Ito na po yun. Next, i-combine natin lahat ng may similar terms. Ulitin ko, ano po yung similar terms? Pareho sila ng variable or ng letter na tinatawag. Literal coefficient. Si 4A, ito po yun siya. Si 3A, ito po yun siya. Next, si 5A, ito po yun. Next, si negative B or negative 1B, ito po yun siya. Si 2B, ito po yun siya. Si 4B, ito po yun. Now, bakit po si negative minus dito? Kasi po negative din po yung nakalagay dito sa taas. Okay? Combine na natin sila. 4 plus 3 plus 5, nagiging 12. Anong variable nila? A. Next, negative 1 plus 2, that is 1, plus 4, that is 5. Ito na po yung sagot. Then variable nila is B. So the answer here is 12A plus 5B is our perimeter. Okay? So lagyan natin ang conclusion. Conclusion. Therefore, ano po yung tanong? Find the perimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of quadrilateral MATH is what? Yung sagot po natin, which is 12A plus 5B. And this is now our final answer. Therefore, the perimeter of quadrilateral math is 12A plus 5B. Okay? So, please copy the conclusion for the answer. So, madali lang po yung addition ng polynomials and subtraction. Kasi po, i-combine mo lang talaga siya sa similar terms. Yung mahirap lang is yung, kung naalala nyo pa, kung negative, positive, paano siya i-add. Yun lang yung problema. So, continue tayo sa ating quiz. For our example, example number 4, we have 5x plus 4. Okay, nawawala yung addition. This is plus, this is minus. Okay. This is plus. So, subtract. Oops, balik pala. Subtract pala ito. Eraser. This is minus. This is minus. This is minus. This is minus. Okay. Bakit po minus? Dahil po ginamit po na word dito is subtract. Okay? So, letter A tayo. So, we have 5x plus 4, parentheses, minus 7x plus 3, then parentheses. In this case, magkaiba po yung process ng pag-add sa pag-subtract. Dito po, Itong pong group ng 5x plus 4, this one. At saka itong grupo ng 7x plus 3, i-minus daw natin sila. Pero paano natin sila i-minus? So ganito, bring down 5x plus 4. Bahin ko muna. Okay, bring down natin si 5x plus 4. Tapos ito dito sa kabila, ang mangyayari nito, i-distribute daw natin yung negative papunta dito kay 7x at saka papunta kay 3. So magiging minus 7x na yan siya. Tapos dito sa kabila, negative plus 3. So magiging times 3 rather, magiging negative 3 na yan siya. Ibig sabihin po, itong negative dito, baliktarin daw natin siya kung ano nasa loob. Si 7x, anong baliktad ni 7x? Ang opposite niya, negative 7x. Yan po yun. Sa negative po, anong kabaliktaran ni plus 3? So negative 3. Yan po yung ibig sabihin ng negative of this group of parentheses. Okay? Proceed na agad tayo dito. So si 5x, meron siyang partner which is negative 7x. Si 4 naman po, plus 4, meron din siyang partner si negative 3. Okay, 5 minus 7, of course 2 ang answer. Pero sino mas malaki, si 5 or si 7? Si 7 ang malaki. Ano ang sign ni 7? Negative. Kaya negative po dyan. Then the variable x. Next, 4 minus 3, ang 4 binawasan ng 3 magiging 1. Therefore, the answer there is negative 2x plus 1. Okay? For letter B, kayo daw po mag-try ng sagot sa letter B. Tingnan natin. Then, hindi naman to recitation, pero i-compare natin kung tama ang pagsagot nyo. For letter B, kayo naman po magsagot. Okay, for letter B naman po, we have to bring down 9x plus 3. Okay, ibig sabihin ng negative dito, baliktarin daw natin ang sign ng nasa loob. So negative 4x magiging plus 4x na siya. Yung positive 5 magiging plus 5 na siya. Okay, hanapin natin yung kapareho ni 9x, that is 4x. Hanapin natin ang kapareho ni 3, that is 5. Then we are going to add 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 13. Then copy their variable. Then 3 plus 5, that is 8. So, same ba tayo ng answer? So, 13x plus 8 po ang sagot. Okay, please copy, then type done on the chat box. Okay, proceed tayo sa letter C. For the letter C, we have, natin ang number dito, plus, then dito minus, then dito minus, then dito minus. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, we have 6x squared plus 4x plus 8, yan na po yung given, minus 3x squared minus x minus 5. Okay, ano kaya ibig sabihin ng negative dito? Baliktarin ang sign ng nasa loob. So baliktarin natin si 3, positive na si 3, magiging negative na siya. Itong negative, magiging positive na siya. Itong negative dito, magiging positive na rin siya. Okay, bring down itong pinakauna, plus 8. Okay, now, anong kapartner ni 6x squared? Of course, yung may pareho din na squared niya. So that is negative 3x squared. Anong partner ni 4x? Si x lang po. Ito po si x. Anong partner ni 8? Si 5 lang po. Okay, then we now have 6 plus minus 3, 3 na lang. Then copy their variable x squared. Si 4x, may invisible 1, i-add natin siya, magiging 5x na siya. Si 8 and 5, magiging 13 na siya. And that is now the final answer. Easy lang po masyado ang pag-subtract and pag-add ng polynomials. Ang malilito lang talaga kayo nito sa sign at kung paano siya i-add or isa-subtract. Example, negative 3 minus 3. So ano po yun? Paano po yun siya? Doon po kayo malilito. Okay, please copy for letter C example. Then we will have our quiz for the rest of the 15 minutes. Okay, letter C example. We are now on letter C. Okay, I know some of you are getting tired na because of this XY na napakarami. So I know some of you are getting tired. Well, anyway, what is the important here is you will be able to practice on how to make this addition and subtraction of polynomials. Now, as we continue, no, I don't care if magmali po kayo dito sa quiz natin as long as meron po kayong sagot na gitry po ninyo because later on, kapag mali po yung sagot ninyo, i-reveal ko man yung correct na answer, pwede nyo po siyang isagutan ulit para pag sabit niyo sa akin, tama na yung sagot ko, ganito na. Ganun doon pala ako nagmali. Okay po, ganun po. So, letter tayo sa quiz ninyo. I would like you to answer this one. So, for this, simplify each expressions by answering this. Okay? So, number 4, wala po. Plus po yan siya. Plus din po. Then plus. Okay? I would like you to answer number 1, number 1, number 2, number 3 and 4 lang muna. Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4 lang muna ang sagutan ninyo. For 5 points each, 2 points po ang mali, 5 points po ang tama. Okay, for the rest of the 15 minutes, I would like you to answer quiz number 6 and your time starts now. Yes po, Kinji, ipasa po ito and we will check kapag meron pa pong time. Pero feeling ko may time pa man kasi meron pa tayong 12 minutes. Okay, sino na po ang natapos sa number 1? Type me. We'll check agad. Number 1. Sino na po ang natapos sa number 1? Type me on the chat box. Okay, 3, 4. Number 1 lang po. Number 1 lang muna. Sino pong natapos na sa number 1? Okay, extension, 1 minute. Number 1 lang muna. Okay, let us check number 1 only. Ready na ba? Just number 1. Ready na po ba?
Opo.
Okay, ready na daw po. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's check number 1. Number 1 only. Don't worry, number 1 pa lang po. Para meron pa kayong guide. So we have 3x minus 7 plus, bring parentheses, the group of negative 4x minus 2. Okay. Itong grupo daw na itong 3x minus 7 at saka the group of the parentheses ng 4x minus 2, i-add daw natin sila. So in this case, bring down lang po kasi i-add man lang po. Plus, oops, tanggalin na ito si plus. Bakit po? Kasi i-add daw natin siya ng negative 4x minus 2. So in this case, 3x, ang kagrupo niya si minus 4x. Si minus 7 naman, ang kagrupo niya si negative 2. Now, compare nyo muna bago ko ibigay ang final answer. Compare nyo kung pareho tayo. Kapag meron pong mali, change your answer hanggat makaya pa. Okay? Kung pareho tayo, please change at please make it the same. Kapag magkaiba tayo, gawa ng paraan para maging pareho. Then, I'll give you a chance to change and finalize your answer. So, hindi pa po ito final answer. Okay, ready na? Ready na po ba?
Opo.
Okay, so ready na? In 3, 2, and 1. So, 3x minus 4x. Paano po ito i-subtract? Si t, binawasan mo ng 4. 1 na lang yung sagot. Pero sino mas malaki? Si 3 ba or si 4? Of course, si 4 yung malaki. Now, ano ang sign ni 4? Negative, kaya negative siya dyan. Then, the variable is x. Then, minus 7 minus 2. Meron kang utang na 7, may utang ka pa na 2. So, ilan na lahat yung utang mo? 9. Okay? Then, invisible man si 1. So, pwede siyang magiging negative x minus 9. Now, saan po dyan ang sagot? Pwedeng ito or pwedeng yan. Either of the two. So, 5 points po ang tama. 2 points naman po ang mali. 2 points naman po ang mali. Okay? So, who got it right? Please type me on the chat box. Sino po ang nakatama? Okay, wala pong nakatama ni isa. Ay, meron po si Cassandra, tama po daw siya. Sandra Badan is correct. Paano po naging plus ang 7 at 2? Okay. Actually, hindi to siya plus. Sino yung nagtanong? Si Kenji, hindi po to siya plus 7 at saka 2. Minus po ito sila. Kaso lang, negative po ang nangyari dito. Negative 7 at saka negative 2. So, di ba ang negative is utang? Kung maalala nyo, plus is bayad. So, negative, meron kang utang na 7, may utang ka pa na 2. Ilan na lahat ang utang mo? Okay, 9 na lahat ang utang mo. And utang is negative, kaya negative 9. Yun po yung rule dito. Kapag meron kang dalawang negative sa addition or subtraction, or hindi po addition or subtraction, hindi lang po siya add, hindi lang po siya subtraction, pero sinabi kong addition or subtraction, kapag meron pong dalawang negative, i-add mo sila. 2 plus 7 magiging 9. Then copy the sign of the two numbers, which is negative. Kaya siya negative 9. Okay, ganun po yun siya, Kimchi. Ulitin ko, madali lang po siya ang addition and subtraction. Ang mahirap lang po kung alam ba natin yung rules ng addition and subtraction of integers. Doon po tayo nagkakamali. Okay, 5 points po ang tama, 2 points po ang mali. Okay, proceed na kayo sa number 2 for the last 4 minutes. Number 2 for the last 4 minutes. Okay, last 4 minutes, 3 minutes rather, for number 2. So I think ang natitirang estudyante na lang po is 5 out of 35. 33 rather. So sana po yung iba. Laban lang tayo. Sa mga natitira, laban lang. Okay, it's already 9:57, so maybe we could end this class. Okay, continue answering number 2, 3, and 4, and we will check that one tomorrow morning. I'll be uploading a recorded video of this class para meron po tayong guide. And sa mga na-mention ko po kanina, yung mga kailangan mag-submit po ng mga activities nila, please PM me right immediately after this. Okay, this ends our lesson. I hope you have learned something, and I appreciate the students who are still here on the chat box, on the loop, and who are responding as of this moment. So goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Bye po. Thank you.
Bye po,
Bye
sir.
po.
Sir.
Bye po,
Sir.
sir.